I'm going to be using both the pressure cooker function and the crisping function, the air fryer function for this, but you can actually make it just in the Instant Pot without the crisping at the end. So let's do it. Okay, so here's what we are going to be using. We've got some chicken thighs. You can use chicken portions if you like, bone in preferably. A chilli, that's from last year. Got some garlic. We've got an onion chopped up and some chopped up tomatoes, some stock, and you can use chicken stock, would be really good, but I'm using some of my homemade vegetable bouillon powder stock. You can check out my video if you're not sure how to do that. And we've got some cardamom pods, which I'm going to bash up. We've got some lemongrass, which I'm also going to bash up. We've got some curry powder. I'm using a medium curry powder for this. And we've got some yogurt and some ginger, which we've got chopped up. So really aromatic dish. And then I'm going to use coconut oil for frying in the Instant Pot. So let's finish prepping these ingredients and then we can get this really quick dish into the pot. Okay, for the cardamom pods, I'm just going to give them a quick bash. And then the same with the lemongrass. I've removed the outer really woody parts. This one still is quite woody, so I'm just going to give it a bash to release those aromatics. So you can see I've just kind of bruised and bashed this lemongrass. If you had some really tender kind of fresh lemongrass, you could actually chop it in, but this is what we often seem to get here in the UK. It is really solid. So I'm going to cook this as if I'm using an ordinary Instant Pot, and then for you Duo Crisp owners, I'm going to show you a tip. Mystery will be revealed at the end. So that's my Tongabezi chicken curry in the Instant Pot recipe. So you can do it in the Instant Pot, or you can add that extra browning stage with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. Either way is delicious. And if you like cooking with chicken thighs, you'll probably really like my chicken thigh and potato supper, which is a super simple recipe. So do subscribe if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.